Let's celebrate
25 years.
25 years of the Bell Institute
of Health and Nutrition.
Advancements.
Breakthroughs.
Innovaciones.
Communications.
Changes.
Experts. People.
Remember 1976? Me either. Before my time. However, they tell me that in the nutrition department, we were kicking it old school with what was, back then, the top way of communicating nutrition research, the newsletter. Our newsletters were filled with the latest food industry trends, government regulations, and nutrition research findings. Since the summer of '76, nutrition communications put out by the Bell Institute of Health and Nutrition have come a long way. Today, we use many different forms of communication: social media posts, infographics, webinars, websites, e-newsletters, live presentations, and more. And the charts? Well, today, you can double-click to zoom in.
In 1990, a computer scientist formally introduced a little thing we've come to know as the World Wide Web, creating an explosion of global information sharing. In that same year, the General Mills nutrition team was busy implementing the Food and Drug Administration's historic new food labeling regulations, the Nutrition Labeling and Education Act of 1990. Since then, the Bell Institute has implemented countless nutrition regulations and provided consumers with valued nutrition information that helps them make informed food choices. It's been an honor to have experienced the BIHN over the last 25 years and to have been a part of its changes and experiences. I can even remember when we had to type www.
When the nutrition department started in the 1960s, sharing information between staff was as simple as walking the stack across the room. But then, in the 1990s, when Cereal Partners Worldwide was created, the nutrition team's physical presence began to spread globally. I should know, I was the first member of the CPW International Nutrition Team in 2007. Today, we have health and nutrition leads working with our key markets: Europe, Australia, Brazil, India, China. Our nutrition team is working with businesses to ensure that we find ways to nourish people across geographies through our brands. Today, instead of walking across the hall to deliver this big stack of binders, I use SharePoint and deliver documents digitally. Although I do stand up from my desk, but mostly to look for my cat. There he is. Say hi. Hi.
The 2005 Dietary Guidelines for Americans saw the inclusion of whole grains as a key recommendation, with at least 3 servings of whole grains recommended per day. As a result, General Mills reformulated all Big G cereals to deliver at least 8 grams of whole grains per serving. Spurred on by early research, the BIHN conducted and sponsored studies further elucidating the link between whole grains and health that led to the recognition of ready-to-eat cereals as a key, nutrient-dense source of whole grain in the diet. Since then, the BIHN continues to be a leader in advancing the science and regulatory advocacy by highlighting the benefits of whole grain to both health professionals and health authorities globally. 25 years ago, few would have imagined all the places that we find whole grains in our diets today, from breakfast cereals all the way to beverages.
Throughout our history, evidence-based research has been the backbone of the Bell Institute's nutrition communication. And as science and technology have advanced, so has our research methodology. We were quick adopters and leaders in nutrition capabilities such as dietary intake research. We continue to embrace new methods such as digital clinical studies, which allow us to collect more data while reducing timelines and resources. Science and technology are ever-changing, and if there's one commonality amongst the Bell Institute's timeline of achievements, it's our ability to embrace these changes, which prepares us for both the present and the future.
Since its beginnings, the Bell Institute of Health and Nutrition has been a center for nutrition innovation and impact throughout General Mills and the broader food industry. Our initiatives have investigated, educated, promoted, and influenced time and time again. We've created nutrition opportunities and provided win-win solutions. Our team is the best in class because we have the top experts with strong networks and years of experience. But we aren't in the past, we are in the present, meeting the needs of our consumers and businesses today with cutting-edge science, modern health and wellness communications, and using data and technologies to strengthen our expertise in nutrition research, regulatory, communications, and business support. And we're always preparing for the future, building upon our momentum and capabilities that will keep us a nutrition leader in the years to come. We are the Bell Institute of Health and Nutrition. Let's celebrate.